Welcome to ITLS Academy. I am Dhirendra Kumar. Today we discuss the most important topic, lecture on characteristic of food, biological hazard in food. This is the most important topic. What do you mean by food-borne biological hazard? Food-borne biological hazard are identified and discussed on the basis of inclusion into three broad but distinct categories like bacteria, parasite as well as virus. The parasite, viral and bacterial is the most important broad of a biological agent. They cause a wide range of foodborne diseases. Biological hazards are characterized by the contamination of food by microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, bacteria, protozoans, etc. Foodborne biological hazard found in air, food, water, animal and also exist in human body. Food is the source of disease if uncooked meat, undercooked meat, seafood and unpasteurized milk consumed. If any person consume uncooked meat, seafood and unpasteurized milk, then they cause wide range of foodborne diseases. There are several types of microorganisms, each of which can negatively impact health: bacteria, virus and parasite. Industrial development and change in consumer lifestyle and consumer demand have affect food production and processing practice as well as food preparation process. The bacterium Clostridium botulism was the first isolated from food as the etiologic agent in foodborne disease. Botulinum bacteria was the first isolated. They cause foodborne diseases. What is the scientific basis and implication? The clinical symptoms involved in the majority of foodborne disease include acute diarrhea and vomiting. Acute diarrhea and vomiting is the common symptom of the foodborne diseases. An infection ensues when a host is invaded directly by the microorganism and proliferate in the host. A food source may serve as a vehicle of transmission for the biological hazard and metabolic production, including various toxic materials. Syndrome involve the central nervous system or various organs, may be the direct or indirect result of foodborne pathogenic microorganisms like bacteria. It is estimated that bacterial agents are responsible for approximately 30% of all the foodborne illness diseases. 30% of foodborne illness bacterial agent in food result in approximately 1,300 deaths annually, and 72% of the total death attributed to the consumption of contaminated food. The bacteria are gram-positive as well as gram-negative. They cause foodborne diseases. The gram-negative bacteria are Salmonella, E. coli, Legionella, Yersinia, and Vibrio. This is the gram-negative bacteria. They cause foodborne diseases. And pathogen are gram-positive bacteria like Listeria, Staphylococcus, Clostridium, and Bacillus. These are the most powerful bacteria. They cause foodborne diseases. Parasite associated with the foodborne illness fall in three groups: intestinal protozoan, tissue protozoan and tissue helminth. The foodborne disease caused parasite require a host to complete their life cycle. The environmental stage of the parasite can be ingested via the oral route, or the tissue stage can be ingested with contaminated food, that is the uncooked meat or unpurified water. The parasite in food can be controlled through good sanitation, hygiene, proper cooking, frozen storage, salt, radiation treatment, etc. It is estimated that the parasitic agents are responsible for approximately 2.6 of the all foodborne illness. The foodborne illness hazard, biological hazard characterized and property associated with the specific food source has important regulatory, industrial and international implications. Establishment of microbiological criteria require an understanding of the property of the specific organism, including microbial ecology, mode of transmission, virulence factor, and metabolic characteristics. So, this is the most important criteria to require the property of a specific organism. In addition to emergence of antibiotic resistance, common foodborne pathogen bacteria have demonstrated resistance and cross-protective capability to food preservation stress as well as increased virulence. Foodborne pathogen ability to adapt and survive exposure to environmental stress. A wide range of pathogen can survive under unfavorable conditions. The induction of bacterial resistance to environment stress such as temperature, pH extremely involve the production of shock protein which possess the cross-productive capability or the ability to confer protection to more than one type of stress. Yes, the temperature as well as pH is the most important physical factor, but a wide range of bacteria have the ability to develop the resistance power against temperature and pH. I already discussed in last video. Thank you guys, all the best. Now in next lecture we discuss on contemporary monitoring method of biological hazard. This is the most important topic. Thank you, all the best.